there won't be problems with things there. So let's do this again. Take 2. We're doing the take 2. So this is the take 2 of Castle Hill. So weather's good, everything's in order. Let's do this. Okay, we're here now, and yeah, we're doing the take 2. It's kind of dark in my face, but who cares? Kind of love those trees up there.
140 meters ahead.
Yeah. So we're here. We're back to where we were. Yeah, we're back here at Springfield, and hoping there's not gonna be heavy traffic there on the road. But yeah, wishing. We're having breakfast for a while. Bacon and egg, grapefruit juice, and corn. I don't know what that was. Okay, gotta go. Move the car closer. Corn, what? Fritters. And we have grapefruit as the drink. Let's have breakfast. Smoke area, no, fire area. So I can see half of the mountains been burned. Yeah.
Oh,
there's
okay.
up there.
Are they still?
Yeah, they're still doing it. Hot spots. So we're passing by this road here. There's a temporary 50 because there was a fire here. Fire here. Yeah. Glad everything's okay. There's the burn segment down there.
On your side.
And it's off now. Able to pass. Still more up here. Oh yeah, it's near the road. So safety first. All the way up there. It goes up there. Oh, it crossed the road. There's a big fire across the road up there. Snow-capped mountains up here, and there's fire near it. Yeah, you're far from here, Laura. But it's a good thing because you can see the Castle Hill rocks, and it's cold today. And you know what? I'm wearing shorts. Yeah, it's really cold. We're here at the Castle Hill, not Castle Rock. But yeah, I can see the rocks there of Narnia, and it's kind of cold. I'm wearing shorts. Yep, just to flaunt my legs. But yeah, cold. Whew. Big hike there. Yep. Okay. Nice view. Hi. Look at that rock. Right here. That was the steep one.
Shaky na akong legs.
At the Castle Hill something, the rocks of Narnia. And yeah, we're heading down now. It was quick. I'm gonna go to the next location. I think Narnia was somewhere there. Yeah. There you go. So there's the view. This is the tipmost rock. Yep. Itagi? Yeah. Hey, shit. Was hiding his men from all the enemies in Narnia? I don't really know. I don't know. Go the other side. Heading towards the cave. Ooh, that's nice. Lighting is bad, but it's nice. Check that out. Castle Hill Rocks. Heading back now. And these are the rocks. Narnia, you know, Narnia.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yep.
Like a playground.
And yeah, it's a big hiding places, playground place at the back. So it's really nice.